Dear children, today I am going to teach civics. In this civics, the constitution and the need for laws. Lesson first. Before notes and look at the important terms. Constitution, a body of law and principles according to which a country is governed. Democracy, a form of government by the people, of the people, and for the people. Preamble. Introduction to the Constitution. It emphasizes on the objective and ideals which the nation has to achieve. Laws, a body of rule governing the affairs of the community and enforced by the political authority. Sovereign, a nation which is free from any outside influence over its internal and external matter. Socialist, a system which lays emphasis on freedom from social, political, and economic exploitation. Secular, a state where all religions command equal respect. Now reread Constitution, democracy, preamble, laws, sovereign, socialism, and secular. It is important terms for use in this lesson. Any organized social life needs certain rules and regulations. We humans need to observe certain rules even while playing games or walking or driving on the roads. In the same way, we must observe some rules of common behavior in all our activities. A country needs a government which is run according to certain set of rules and regulations. Therefore, all the nations have their own constitution and system of government. Constitution. A constitution is a set of laws and rules as per which a country is governed. It is a framework which decides the composition and functions of a government. The Constitution of India lays down our national goals like democracy, socialism, secularism, liberty, equality, fraternity, etc. It also lays down the power and function of the government. It defines the rights and duties of the citizen and regulates the relation between the citizen and state. It performs the dual function of the regulating the government as well as safeguarding the rights of the citizens. It is our duty to respect our constitution. Our constitution may be in a written form as in India, France and USA, or unwritten as a Great Britain. Importance of our constitution. In the present age of democracy, the power to govern is exercised by the representative of the people and they are also accountable to the people. Thus, they cannot be allowed to exercise the power according to their sweet will. They are bound by certain principles. The state is an association by of association. Every association works according to certain rule. These principles put a check on arbitrary use of power by any person and ensure individual liberty. These principles determine the set of organ of the government, their power, mutual relation, and the rights and duties of the citizen. Thus, the constitution is very important in a democracy. Features of our constitution. Our freedom fighters battled for a long in order to free our country from the imperial yoke. They fought for certain ideals which they tried to incorporate in our constitution. A glimpse of these ideals can be read in the preamble of the constitution. The Constitution of India is a legal document. It begins with an introduction or a preface called the preamble. The word preamble literally means an introduction to a legal document. In fact, the preamble is an introduction as well as the key to our constitution. It lays down the basic principles and reflects the ideals which the rulers of our country should always keep in mind while formulating and implementing national policy. It also essential certain goals or objectives that the farmer of our constitution wanted to achieve. The 42nd Amendment of the Constitution 1976 made certain changes in the preamble. The preamble in its amended form reads as follows. We the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty to thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, quality of state and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly this 26th day of November 1949 do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. The preamble reflects the true spirit of the Constitution. It showcases that the people of India are the real authority. This supreme document of the land has been prepared by the people's representatives. The nature and goals of the Constitution are expressed through the words sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. It is to be noted that in the original Constitution, the preamble mentioned sovereign, democratic republic and unity of nation. the words socialist and secular have been added by the Constitution Amendment 42 Second Act 1976. A brief explanation of these words would be quite meaningful. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. Now, next date.